In today's video, you guys, doing something a little different. I'm working on my personal vehicle. And today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be swapping out all my 15.5 regulators. And I'm going to be bumping them up to 16-volt regulators in all three of my alternators. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take them loose, take them apart, and show you how it's done. Alright, let's get to it. So after you've gotten the alternator removed from the vehicle, the next step is going to be to remove the back plate from the alternator. With this specific one, it's just these three nuts, okay? I'm gonna do that now. Alright. With the back plate removed, you can clearly see where the regulator itself is, and this is the part that we're swapping out. We're going from 15.5 regulators to 16-volt regulators. And on the regulator itself, you can even see, I don't know if the camera pick it up, but it shows 16-volt there. These ones, used to have the 15.5s in there. So we're going to bump up about a half a volt on all three of those. All right. All right. So after you've gotten your back plate removed, the next step is going to be remove the regulator. Now, some of them are going to vary, but on this one, I'll remove my Phillip head screws here, as well as this real small, I think it's a 5/32 bit right there. That comes off. And then the whole regulator should just slide out, okay? Now, the next step is where the solder is right here. You're going to have to desolder that. All right. So, time to get your soldering iron out. All right. So now, time to desolder. Now, the next step is honestly just the reverse of the way we just took it apart. So, go ahead and place the regulator on, and then we're going to solder it down. Now your solder joint, always make sure it's a good connection right there, okay? So after you got your solder joint back down, it's time to go ahead and put all your Phillips head screws back in. Also, a quick pro tip, this little piece right here, if you notice, let me pull it out, has these little gears in it that are spring loaded. You have to push those down to get those back over the top of this pole right here, okay? So what I do, I just take something small, like so. It keeps them pushed down. I can slide it right over the top. Just like that. Right. Now let's go ahead and put all the Phillips head screws back where they go. Put the back plate on, and we're done. That easy. Got all the screws screwed back in, nice and tight, nice and secure. Time to secure the back plate on with those same little nuts that took off a little while ago. And tighten it back down. All right. And that's it. The new 16-volt regulator has been installed. Oh, 15.5 out. Still works though, but had to bump it up a little bit. So that's how you change out a regulator. This is the GM style. Other styles are going to be similar. The same wire up, the same type of situation. So that's pretty much it. Until next time, guys. Boomsday Customs Emporium. All right, signing out. Peace.